Today, we're diving into a review of the popular Harbor Freight mobile base, an affordable way to make your heavy tools mobile. We'll show you tips and tricks on installation and share our thoughts on what we liked and didn't care for with this unit. So stick around till the end to find out our final verdict. You'd think assembling this base would be pretty straightforward. Think again. The instructions might as well have been written in ancient hieroglyphics by a bored intern with a grudge. At one point, my dad was holding a screwdriver, 3 mystery screws, and an existential crisis. Here, my dad is unpacking everything and doing a quick test fit before diving in. He's learned the hard way that it's worth double-checking all the parts up front. Nothing is worse than getting halfway through and realizing something's missing. Luckily, this time everything was there and ready to go. On the plus side, you can customize the size to your heart's content. On the downside, you'll need to provide your own wood. Just a heads up, the wider the base, the less likely it is to roll smoothly on uneven ground. Unless, of course, you enjoy dragging it 5 feet at a time while questioning your life choices. My dad used a 2x4 and cut 2 pieces 32 inches long and then ripped it on the table saw to 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Here he's fitting the pieces and using the bolt hole as a guide to drill through the wood. 2 of the legs have leg levelers. Be sure to use the longer bolt when attaching these to the bracket. Now my dad could have used my help here. Watching him try to attach that bracket and line up the bolts is like watching someone play Jenga blindfolded during an earthquake, and he's definitely losing. Assembly tip: don't forget the washers. Here the other 2 corners just require the rolling wheel. Assembly is much more straightforward. Again, use the hole as a guide for your drill bit. Another assembly tip: don't assume all the holes are equally spaced and in the same exact location, or else you'll be cutting more wood. Yeah, my dad learned this the hard way as well. Just goes to show it doesn't matter how old you are, you can always forget the golden rule of measuring twice and cutting once. Now just rinse and repeat. Drill, add a bolt, and lock it down. Here comes the grand finale, adding the 2 swivel casters. Compared to everything else, this part's a walk in the park. So what's the verdict? After using this mobile caster base for a full year, we've been so pleased with our purchase that we ended up getting a second one, now outfitting our bandsaw. For the price, it's a fantastic value, offering both affordability and solid, sturdy construction. While the wheels aren't the best for rough surfaces, a smooth basement floor certainly makes a difference. As for the manual locking system, we've never really found the need to use it. This unit is now home to our bandsaw, and thanks to its sheer weight, the tool stays firmly in place during use, with no issues of it shifting around. Overall, it's been a reliable, cost-effective solution that we're happy to stand by.